Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Gently scrape off hardened chocolate with a dull knife or spoon so fibers aren't pushed deeper. Once cleared, turn the garment inside out and flush the stained area with cold water from the back to force chocolate out instead of through. Next, apply a small amount of enzyme detergent or liquid dish soap to the stain and work it in with your fingers. This breaks fats and proteins, so make sure to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing. Once the surface treatment has set, prepare a cold soak using water and a teaspoon of the same enzyme detergent. You'll want to submerge the stained area for 15 to 30 minutes so enzymes can further break down chocolate oils and cocoa solids. While soaking, gently agitate the fabric by hand to help lift particles. If the stain persists, reapply detergent and work gently with a soft bristled brush. Make sure to rinse thoroughly and inspect the stain before any heat is introduced. You finish by rinsing again and air drying the garment. Be careful, heat from a dryer will permanently set any remaining chocolate. If faint traces remain, apply a stain remover paste or prepare an oxygen bleach soak according to package directions, then repeat the wash. Make sure to test any bleach on a hidden seam first to prevent discoloration. If a stain persists after 2 treatments, consider professional cleaning. However, most stains will lift.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.